The idea of a community of learners really gets at the heart of the fact that human beings are social animals, and that most of our everyday learning outside of school is highly social, and that we collaborate with one another.
What we want to do is find your partner real quick and get seated with each other.
Bruce Koike creates a sense of community by knowing and valuing his students.
The students that we have in our program, it ranges from individuals who have just graduated high school to individuals probably in their late 40s, early 50s. That gives us a really neat opportunity to pair up individuals who have a lot of work experience with those who have just embarked on having a full-time job. Okay, clear off your whiteboards real quick. The format for this class will have several components. We'll start off in what's called a pair share. Write down everything you know about ozone itself. You got 1 minute, go.
It oxidizes.
Denatures quickly, toxic to fish, difficult to produce.
Okay, stop. Switch partners. We'll then swap one partner from one group to the next, and the same question is posed, or those individuals are supposed to fill out items that might have been missing on the other group's list.
Unstable, that's what we had. Or we said denatures quickly, which is the same thing. Kills?
Sterilizes.
Sterilizes? We said it was highly oxidative, which is the same thing, right? Because it steals electrons, right? Dry.
Toxic
5, 4. A lot of information is covered through that activity and shared. They each get to learn and teach another student. Stop.
Yeah, I think that was right.
Okay, Jess Warren, could you share your list with me real quick?
Unstable.
What else is on your list?
Neutralizes.
This again helps to build student relationships amongst each other. They're not independent learning stations within the class, but they become bonded and interact with each other. Go.
Foam for foam fractionators.
Foams. Okay, good. Others?
It's an oxidizer.
Okay.
It's toxic.
Okay, go.
We put down reactive as well.
And this helps later on when they get into more complex projects. You know, they have a familiarity with each other.
And basically, we want to try to take a look at how much material is being produced by these foam fractionators if we have a certain level of ozone going into it compared with air.
After students gain confidence and knowledge in the classroom, co-teacher Dave Barron encourages them to take risks in the lab.
I try to let the students know in class that we're trying to set up the same kind of situation as far as what they're going to see at the aquarium or in the real-world experience, except that there's not the animals to kill here. And if you mess it up, it's okay. We have the equipment. If a pump gets plumbed in the wrong way or something like that and we burn up a motor, it's okay. We have an extra one that we can put in there.
How's it going over here?
Well, these each have 2 ports in them, and got to plug one of them. So this is my only homemade deal that I got.
They're very good at letting you make your mistake, and once you've made it, realize it, and then work towards not making it again.
Disconnect the other pump too.
The aquarium science program, so much of it is based on trying different things. And so by providing a safe place to fail in that sense is real important for students to keep moving forward.
How are we going over here? How are we going?
Yeah. 75 liters.
Okay, well, then I
Pretty good at 9 inches there.
When you start to build on learning communities, now what you're really starting to do is celebrate the individual expertise that people bring. Ideally, you help people realize that diversity of experiences and ideas is the best way to get smart in the world. Because the more we push ourselves by looking at a diversity of ideas, the more we break out of our own little ponds and our own little boxes, which inevitably we're all in. And the more fun it is if you can help people realize that as well.